Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm not sure quite what this video is called. I'll have to look it up. I've seen Sophie Louise do these kind of videos, and it's like where she starts at this and then completely transforms throughout the video. Usually it's hair, nails, makeup, outfit, all of that, and then at the end you get to see how awesome the person looks. So that's what I want to do today. So to start, I want to bleach this part of my hair. I don't know how it's gonna go because I have brown box dye on my hair and I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be bad, but sure. So we're gonna try it out. I also realized last night that I threw out my purple shampoo because it was old and I didn't think I was gonna be using it anymore. So I had to go buy some more purple shampoo. This is the L'Oreal Ever Pure Purple Shampoo, Shampooing Violet. So we're gonna try this. I normally use the Not Your Mother's purple shampoo, but this is all I could find. So this is what I'm gonna be using. Doesn't work. This video might just be how I ruined my hair. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go try and bleach my hair. Right now, you're looking at me, my hair unbrushed, my face unwashed, in my pajamas still. This is how I wake up in the morning. Wish me luck. I'm back. Okay, so I actually think it turned out really good. I'm so impressed. I think it lifted way better than I thought it was going to. I thought I was gonna be left a lot more orange, and just a few minutes ago it still looked really orange, but now that it's drying it actually looks the color that I want it to be, which is so crazy. I would like you guys to know I have never been platinum blonde. I've never had platinum blonde hair in my life, and I know this isn't platinum, but this is the lightest blonde I've ever had, and seeing my roots such a light blonde is so weird to me. It doesn't make any sense in my mind because I never thought I would ever see my roots such a light blonde color. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. Still a little bit brassy, but like I said, I did buy that purple shampoo, which really helped, obviously, because it was already brassier than this. And so I think a couple more times using that, and maybe in a few weeks to a month, maybe touching it up a little bit, lightening it a little bit. Let me know what you guys use to lighten your hair, because I don't know. I've never had to do that. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. We're gonna move on. And so now I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys so you guys can see what we're doing today. I'm kind of going pretty glam, but drugstore glam, affordable glam. So the first thing I do is my brows. So I'm gonna be taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the NYX The Brow Glue, and we're gonna be doing these brows. My mom says, yes, it looks good. Thanks, Mom. And there's one brow done. I'm gonna go do the other one off camera. So I just applied an eyeshadow base, and today for eyeshadow I really want to do something a simple smoky eye. This is my perfect palette for a simple natural looking smoky eye. This is the Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette in Large It Up. This is such a nice natural smoky eye palette because all of the mattes in here are very natural skin tone shades. Alright, so this is my like simple smoky eye done. Nothing really that complicated, just a few different like crease shades and then a darker shade to deepen up the crease, and then getting lighter on the outside, and then a gold shimmer on my eyelid. I'm gonna recreate that over here, and then we'll move on to my face. So back to my face, I just prepped my skin using the JCat H2O Fresh Dewy Primer. This is like my favorite primer ever. So that's what I just prepped my skin with. For foundation, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream because I kind of want like some full face glam moments today. Then using my Juno & Co. microfiber sponge to blend that in. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So before I powder my face, I do want to go in with a cream bronzer. Today I want to try like layering a cream and powder bronzer and see if I like the results. So we're going in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, of course. Alright, now I'm going to powder real quick, and we'll be back to do powder bronzer. Now onto powder bronzer, we're going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I have mine in the light bronzer. I'm just going to tone that down a little bit using my powder brush with just like the excess product on it. Now moving on to blush, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Cheeky, which is like the pinky peach one. Now for highlighter, you probably already guessed it, the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette. I have to, like I love it so much, I have to wear this. I'm kind of wondering when like the trend of like highlighting right here is gonna die down. I don't know, because sometimes I kind of want to not highlight right there because I almost feel like it looks weird on my face. For setting spray, I'm using the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. So since I know this video is going to be super long, I'm going to finish my eyes off camera. But just to let you guys know, I will be using the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner, and then the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and then the Kiss My Lash But Better and So Real. So I'm going to go finish this off camera because this video is already going to be so long. And these are just not things I can do easily on camera. So I have my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes on, and this look definitely looks so nice and like light glam. Now we're gonna add lipstick. I don't fully know if this is like the best lip combination. I thought like a nude matte lip would be good, and this is my favorite like nude matte lipstick. So I've got the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Dulce K, which I know is not affordable, but this is my favorite lip liner, so this is what I'm using. And then the NYX Lip Lingerie in Lace Detail. Alright, so that's my makeup done. Pretty like soft glam. That's what I kind of was going for today. Now I'm gonna go do my hair. I use a Conair, I think it's one of like the tapered curling ones. It's like from an inch to I think like a half inch or something like that. But that's what I always use, and I usually just like curl like the bottom parts of my hair, like the bottom half of my hair, and then I curl these front bits. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. All curled and nice looking. So now I need to pick out some jewelry. Right back here I have all of like my everyday earrings that I wear. And I don't really know if I want to go with like diamond, dangly earrings. You know, like my little moon earrings that I wear all the time. I think that's it. I think I want to wear my moon earrings that I wear all the time. So I got this really cute set from Shein that I got from Shein. I love these earrings. These are probably my favorite earrings to wear ever. Like, I love them so much. And normally, I've been wearing ear cuffs a lot more lately, which I'm sure everybody's noticed, because I just think they just add so much to my looks. But today I'm not really feeling an ear cuff. I do, however, want to add like a little nose ring. So not like the septum one, but I want to add like the nose ring right here. I just think it looks super cute. And yes, I have considered actually getting it pierced. But the thing is that right here is where I would want it. Like, you know, right here. And that's where I've had my multiple like skin infections, is right there. I've got really bad scar tissue right there on my nose. And I would be really afraid of it getting infected with a skin infection, because I've realized that pretty much anytime I have like a certain amount of broken skin on my nose for like a long length of time, that's when I break out in a skin infection. Maybe if I went like several years without a breakout, maybe. So now I have to figure out what to wear today. So I picked out a couple different things. I'm going to have to like zoom you guys out like a lot. So right now I'm just wearing a David Bowie t-shirt, like I always am. But I got these out. So like my jumpsuit that I wore for my birthday, which now that I've like done my makeup doesn't like make any sense, I feel like. Then like I picked out this dress because I haven't gotten to wear it yet. And I'm still not really sure if it like matches what I've got going on today. But like it's really cute and I haven't got to wear it yet. So then there's also this top, which I thrifted, and like, I don't know, I think this would be like so cute. I don't know, what do we think? It's just like a little off the shoulder top. Should I just wear this and call it a day? I'm torn because I really want to wear this dress, but I don't really think it matches. Okay, I'm gonna go with the top because like I pretty much only dress up my top half. Don't judge me, but that's my life. Okay, yeah, I definitely think this top was the right decision. So I still have to figure out how to style this hair because I don't really know how to style like two-toned hair. I wasn't very good at styling it when I had like the pink in the front. Also, if you guys notice right here, this brassy color is the Punky Color Pink Tabulous shampoo. That pink that I put in my hair forever ago, I still can't get it out. I never could get it out. I tried to cover it with brown, and that's what you see right here. Because my hair's grown out probably to about right here since I dyed it. So from here to here looks just fine. The brown lifted out of my hair just fine, but this part still has that brassiness in it because it's pink. It has pink left over in my hair. So my hair is lifting pink because the pink is stuck in my hair and I can't get it out. Alright, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like my hair because I'm kind of stuck with it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun getting ready with you guys and totally transforming myself from what I started out like today. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and if you want to see more videos like this where I like fully transform before your eyes. I post new videos every single week and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!